What's up, my fab family? So today we are doing my mama hairdo a couple of days before her birthday, but a day before my aunt's funeral. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going ahead and layer her up twice. So what you see me doing here is just, laying her up, telling her to, turn side to side. So once it dry, then you're gonna apply your next layer. We're only gonna do two because usually, I fixed it if she needed to be fixed or whatever, but she's not gonna be doing any sweating. It's a little cold out, so she's good with two. My little nephew, he's all over. I don't know what's going on.
Move around, buddy.
Man, I don't know how.
Color is mocha she will be using. So all you're going to see me do is spray the lace, and then I'm going to hit it with the blow dryer for a couple of minutes. Then, okay, y'all see how I do it? Just help you with the meltdown.
That's on the thing, too. But he talking about a fucking boy bra. No niggas don't have no bra.
Okay, all I'm doing is adjusting the hair so I can cut around her ears to make sure that it's crisp. Then after I'm done with this side, I'm just going to repeat on the other side, and then we're going to go in the back with bonding glue to make sure that the frontal is secure. Okay, so as I put the bonding glue in the back, you'll see me pulling backwards. That's just to make sure that it's secure and that it is flat and it won't get any little flips or stuff inside it that makes it look all bulky. So I'm going in with 20 inches bundles. So we're just going to glue these in. Y'all sit around and chill with us. Okay, I see y'all noticed that we switched areas. She had to go back to work, so we gonna go ahead and do this or whatever. But I ain't gonna show y'all all this because she's on her computer and I ain't want to be showing her screen. But y'all get the picture. All we doing is gluing in till it's finished, and then I'll come back once the finished results.
Well, you gotta.
Okay, y'all. So this is the finished product. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.